Guess what just arrived in the mail? I pre-ordered XLove's first mini album, Unlove, and we're gonna unbox it right now. If I get really lucky, I might land a gold or silver photo card. Time to open it. Bum. I think these are the temporary heat transfer stickers. Wow, so cute. It kind of reminds me of Menhera. Oh my lord! Look at them. No words needed. Oh, look what we have. Oh my gosh! Love these two. My bias.
Oh my god!
Let me breathe! Only, I'm gonna be your one and only.
The lyrics.
Space, 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 space.